Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to my YouTube channel Gardening Paradise. The gardening is considered to be the most beautiful part of the house where one can take a break from the daily monotonous life and relax. It helps in making and mending bonds with the family members when the whole family gathers to chit chat in the garden. The garden can be beneficial in many known as non unknown ways. It plays a significant role in maintaining good health and a pleasant environment as urbanization is increasing gradually. The earth is losing all its greenness, so planting a few trees in the garden will also help Mother Nature of heal. And the gardening is we have given below the different type of gardening. Gardening is one of the prime focuses of any house that soothes one and beautiful the whole home. Not only is a garden treats to the eyes but also blessing to us as it provides us an opportunity to grow fresh vegetable and fruit. The freshly grown fruits and vegetables do not have any pesticides, insecticides of the artificial colors which make it healthy and safe to consume for kids and elder peoples, yeah, older peoples. The garden also offers a place for playing outdoor sports, which encourages the sportive nature of the kind and also help them in keeping fit and active throughout the day. The kids can have fun in the garden by building tents and playing over there. Handling daily is stress and tensions irritate a person after a certain period